Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now in last video we have seen how to convert the finite automata into regular grammar. The next step is to convert regular grammar into finite automata. Okay, so before going to learn this method, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it. We will start with the conversion method. So first we will see how to construct the finite automata from the regular grammar. So as in the grammar, to FA conversion, FA states corresponds to variables in the grammar and vice versa, as we have already seen that the states from the finite automata that corresponds to variable in the grammar. Okay, then terminals present in the grammar that corresponds to alphabets present in the finite automata, and the set of productions that corresponds to transitions of the finite automata. Okay, so these are the three basic points need to be considered while conversion of FA to regular grammar and vice versa. Okay, so we will see now what is the method of conversion. The finite automata transitions will be defined by the following rules, as we have 4 tuples in the given regular grammar and 5 tuples related to finite automata. So while conversion, we have to correlate these 4 tuples of grammar to finite automata. Okay, so as we have discussed earlier, the set Q that will be defined or that will be find out with the help of variables present in the CFG. Set V defines the set Q because set V corresponds to set Q. Then set T corresponds to set sigma. Okay, then set P means set of productions will used to define set of transitions. Okay, then S is used to find out the initial state from set capital Q. Okay, so now we will get all the tuples, but we have to find out the exact transitions from the given productions. Okay, so there are 2 rules to find out the transitions from the given productions. Okay, so first rule is what? For each production of the form AI tends to small a aj, that will produce the transition of the form delta of qi comma a is equal to qj. Okay, so here what we have given, AI tends to small a aj, this is the production given from the or taken from the given CFG. Then we have to convert it into transition. Okay, so that will be defined or written like delta of qi comma a. Okay, so here qi will be the state that corresponds to variable ai, and a small a is terminal in grammar that will be considered as input symbol in case of finite automata. Okay, so the resultant output will be the state qj that will corresponds to variable aj. Okay, so means if have transition from qi to kj by taking input a, that will be rewritten as delta of qi comma a is equal to qj. Okay, so if we have another kind of production, that is a production of the form ak tends to small a. Okay, so single a is nothing but, see, this small a is nothing but a terminal. Okay, so if we have the production of this form, then that will be converted into a transition of the form delta of qk comma a is equal to qf, where qk is a state that corresponds to variable ak. A is again input symbol, that corresponds to terminal a, and here we have to take explicit final state, that is qf. Okay, so if we have a production of the form ak tends to small a, that will produce a transition from qk to qf with input symbol a. Okay, so we have learned how to get q set of states, then set sigma set of input alphabets, then set of transitions, that is nothing but delta, then initial state, and lastly f, and this resultant finite automata will have a single final state that will come from this type of transitions, that is this type of production, that is ak tends to small a. Okay, so here we have to consider qf as the extra state for the conversion method. Okay, now we will have example for conversion of regular grammar to finite automata. Okay.